Director of Information and Public Relations (IPR) T.H. Charanjit stated that press has vital role in reaching out to the public and countering forces that operate beyond three pillars of democracy: legislature, executive and judiciary. He was speaking during the observance of World Press Freedom Day held at Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR), organized in collaboration with All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) and Editors Guild Manipur (EGM). AMJU President Asim Bhakta and EGM President Khugendro Khomdram as presidium members during the event held under the theme Shaping a Future of Peace. Director T.H. Chandrajit stressed the importance of press freedom in highlighting societal issues and informing public about prevailing challenges. However, he also pointed out that press freedom is not absolute, emphasizing the need to understand the provisions of Article 19(2) of the Indian Constitution, which imposes reasonable restrictions on media content that may threaten national security, incite violence among communities, or disturb relations between neighboring states.
Ngasigi numit asi UNESCO na World Press Freedom Day haina declare tauba numit aduni ngasigi numit asida press ki freedom asibu nahona na ningsingba amasung press ki freedom asina koi democracy asibu hena phajahan ba amasung survive taubada importance oi haibado koi punna ningsing minaduna press ki freedom asibu koi mamunta na khamina ba numit aduni ngasigi numit asida koi ki media fraternity da laibiriba mayam punam koi habna World Press Freedom Day gi wish taujari.
EGM President Khugendro Khomdram has stated that press has a crucial role in positively shaping the ongoing conflict in Manipur. He emphasized that media must act responsibly to help guide public perception and contribute towards peace during the crisis. He also stressed the need for thorough discussion on the recent press and media advisory issued by the Home Department. Khugendro informed that joint meeting will soon be held by DIPR, AMJU and EGM to deliberate on the advisory.
Press freedom is unlimited freedom within a day. Reasonable or the restriction guide mark of the responsibility. I see all the whole PI has a words. Other responsibility no will be literally quite more to them, or you will be quite more to them. When you feel starting at the field the city and all the city. It is a hard Madu Literana Secretary Chief of the Merakai. I don't know who feels option as you or Yumanda. It's our responsibility. We treat them as if they are young away. We treat them away and pull your balls now. Communities the society the Sitting quite well and I have Press freedom day, I did a women and coming of the college. Freedom basically, no, I do not have the college. The film says that we don't want to some other more than our Santi, they don't work more than a quarter of that. When the Yagisan and criminal put that the owners have got to come together.
AMJU President Asim Bhakta has expressed his desire to make the observance of World Press Freedom Day a regular annual calendar program. He stated that the event, which was organized this year under the initiative of DIPR, should be continued in a similar manner every year.
I